Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure both devices share the same network. That matters because discovery depends on IP visibility. Once done, open Google Home and let it detect the Chromecast. This is the handshake. Make sure the Chromecast is on the correct TV input and the LED is steady, otherwise the device won't respond. Next, grant any permission prompts on your phone. These let the app find local devices. You're already halfway there. You now open the app you want to cast from and tap the cast icon to choose the Chromecast. Once connected, the app sends the stream to the TV while your phone becomes the remote. You can pause, seek, change volume, and cue content. If you want system-wide control, use Google Home's device card to manage volume or stop casting. Make sure to keep the app open if you plan to adjust playback often. Closing it can return control to the TV or disconnect. To finish, use Google Home to tidy settings. Rename the Chromecast for easy selection, reboot if performance lags, or add it to a speaker group for multi-room audio. When you're done casting, stop from the app or disconnect via the device card. If things go wrong, reboot the phone, Chromecast, and router in that order. This clears many network issues. Also check app permissions, disable VPNs or strict firewalls, and ensure both app and Chromecast firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.